Hello my dear friends, my name is Samir. In today's video we are going to learn Array.slice method in JavaScript. So this method is very similar to the literal slice of kind of bread or maybe pineapple. Okay, so we'll take an analogy of bread today, and we'll show how this slice Array.slice method work. So consider this rectangular box as a bread, a whole bread, and it has some lines, so we can call it the slice of the bread, right? And as of now, the size of the slice or the width of the slice is equal in size. All are identical in size, right? So in some case we go to the shop and ask the shopkeeper to give us a custom size of slice, maybe this much big, or maybe this much big, or maybe this much big. So it can be of any size, right? So likewise in Array.slice as well, we can grab any size of data from the array, or any size of portion from the array. That is why this the Array.slice method has named the slice method, right? Because we are grabbing a slice of the data from the array. And let's create an array over here, arr, right? And this is the bracket notation, 1 2 3 4 5. So here we have an array of numeric values, right? And let's say we want to grab this portion, right? So we will write our syntax over here, array.slice, and we need to pass two arguments over here. That is, first one is start index and the end index. Okay, so in our case, the start index would be the value of I, which is 0, and the end index would be this one, 4. Okay, so I mean 4 is the element and not the index, so we have to count the index, right? 0 1 2 3. So this is our end index and this is our start index. We need to pass this value, and if we do that, we will get 1 2 3 in the array format, right? This is how simple it is, and we can check that in our console. I mean in our VS Code we can practically do that, right? Yes, so we will write console.log slice, yes, and we'll pass the start index. Here I've already created an array and it is a different kind of array, so we'll pass in this. We want these three value, the starting three value, so we will pass 0 because we are starting from the first index, and we will pass 3, 0 1 2 3 because we want this 3 value. So we will take 3, and we can see that in our console, right? I have saved the file and I'm running. Now we can see that we have grabbed the first section of the first slice of the array, which is of 3 elements. Okay, and it could be of any size of elements, and you can grab it from between as well, right? So also one more thing to note, that this array.slice is not mutating your original array. Console.log to check that whether our original array has been modified or not. Arr. Now we can see that first console is of line number 2, which is giving us the sliced array, and the second console is our original array which has not been modified. So these are the two characteristics of array.slice. You can grab any portion of the array, and another thing, it does not mutate your data. Okay, so that's a wrap, guys. If you like my video, you can like the video so it reaches more students like you. And if you want to see me again, you can consider subscribing to my channel, so any upcoming videos on my channel should be recommended in your feed. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Bye.